Want to make lumpia at home but too lazy to roll it up? I learned to roll lumpia this way from Big Boy Filipino food restaurant in LA. Chef Barb shared with us that her mother would make hundreds of lumpia all on her own, and this technique of piping the meat onto layered stacks of lumpia wrapper were what helped her create so many lumpia. I'm so grateful that Chef Barb shared this technique with us on Big Boy's social media videos because my grandma's lumpia recipe is something that I want to share more often with my community. But what held me back was the tedious task of having to roll every single one. I remember my grandma making lumpia for her neighbors, friends, and even my teachers, and it would take her so long to finish rolling up a huge bowl of lumpia meat. So I tried wrapping it using Chef Barb's technique when making the 100K special lumpia cake, and I'm so glad it works. It's so
Kampihan sa diskarte.
Labanan ng sarap. Ito ang Kitchen Bida sa Sarap!